Let's see. Banker. What's going on with Banker? What's up, Silver Days? Floofin, welcome to the live stream. A house is listed. 2 showings are booked. One tomorrow and one's Thursday. Let's go. Yo, congratulations, Floofin. That's awesome, man. Let's go. That's really cool. Good for you. Man. That is very awesome, man. I hope it sells fast. House listed for 347,000 Canadian dollars. How much is that in USD? What's up, Carlo? I'll do the conversion, actually. What's up, Carlos? Welcome to the live stream. Welcome. We're actually having a nice move right now on Bitcoin. Isn't that surprising? Wow. 81,000's in play right now, but is the top in? That's a good question. 374,900 CAD to be exact. Nice, man. Hidden Bull, welcome. I might miss tonight's show. I have some crazy weather and I might lose connection. Oh, that's not good, man. I hope you stay safe. I hope nothing happens to you or where you're at. I hope you're staying safe, man. Crisscross Applesauce, welcome. Crisscross Applesauce is in the building, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome. Stevie, Elon brother, let's go. I know it's back. It's back up to. Let me see. It's back up to, I think, 42, right? Yeah, or well, it hit 42. Yeah, it hit 42, and now it's getting rejected again. Yo, Elon, you really need to break this this area of resistance, and then Elon should go flying, man. But you have a lot of resistance overhead. Dominance is still going up. Yo, Aloe, welcome. Hey, you're bullish though. You're a perma bull, so it doesn't even matter. Dominance is going to go up, but doesn't that usually mean that there's a rotation coming? Right? Yeah, dominance is going to go up. That's not a problem because that's good. When Bitcoin dominance ends up dropping, you know, the fact that it's going up is actually not a bad thing, you know. The fact that, of course, Bitcoin dominance is going to increase when Bitcoin price is going up. But Aloe, in my opinion, I think the only time that I would be concerned if Bitcoin dominance is going up is if Bitcoin is staying the same price. Because if Bitcoin dominance is going up while price is staying the same, then that means that everything else is capitulating, which is bad. But when Bitcoin's going up, yeah, obviously it's going to have a correlation with Bitcoin dominance. So this isn't bad. This isn't a bad thing in my opinion. Not a bad thing at all. BTC needs to consolidate though, which I'm not certain it will. SPY is like up 1% from all-time high. That's insane. I know. I can't do it. So good, man. Come on. When is this gonna? That's just crazy. What the hell? What a freaking rally, man. Hey. What's going on? What happened? I don't know what the hell happened. A bunch of commotion back there. Let's see. At least, yeah, at least we got 60% of the chat is bullish now. So that's pretty good. I guess the bulls are back, right? We should theoretically get a lot of viewers now. Hidden Bull says, I hope the upward movement gets people excited about BTC. I've seen it go up pretty good when people begin to FOMO. Yeah. You don't think that was the FOMO, though? You don't think this was the FOMO? It literally double topped, actually. This isn't... You're not concerned about this? It literally double topped. You see that? I don't know. I mean, technically, like I said before, I mean, I still do think 81,000 is in play as long as we stay over 72.4 on the bigger time frame. But... I think that it takes a few days for people to see YouTube videos and start popping up. It rejected so hard off of 76,000. SPY made one tiny little move down. Oh, you guys are bullish? Or I guess it's 50-50 now. Yeah, it's 50-50 now. They were. The chat was bullish. We have to make a video for flip coins. I hope Dwayne Kelly's having a good vacation. We'll make some update videos for him too. Yeah, Rave is back up. But I think it fell by a lot, right? Rave DAO. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, man. 60. Oh, wow. Bro, this is insane. Dude, that's crazy. What the hell? Dude, I need to make another video on this, man. Taking a look at Rave DAO on the live stream. So it seems like every single time I look at it, it just keeps going higher and higher. And I always say, like, we didn't even come back and retest this area as support. So basically, I need to just delete everything. Our target on the upside is $25. I really can't believe there's no pullback and it's going to 25 bucks. So obviously, if you bought this coin down here, congratulations. You just did a 65x. So obviously, I'm not going to, I'm just saying be cautious, be careful. We are extremely overbought. We have been extremely overbought since April 8th, and it's been almost, tomorrow is going to be a week now. So we've been going up nonstop for a week now. Keep in mind that you still have support underneath if in case we did top out, or if in case we are putting in a temporary top, I guess you can say, because I mean, every single time I say that, we just go higher. So we do have support. I do have to stick with my analysis, though. We do still have support down here at between $3.30 and $6. So I know that's a really big capitulation, but technically speaking, as long as it stays over this area of support, then you are still looking at $25 being the next target on the upside. Now, keep in mind, it doesn't have to go down here to go up to 25 bucks. Those are just the next major areas of resistance, the next targets on the upside. So obviously I will keep you updated. Hopefully next time I look at this on tomorrow's live stream, it's all the way at like $200, right? And yeah, that's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. I will keep you updated, and thank you so much for your support. Wow. I'm cautiously bullish. Yo, you're always bullish. What? Hidden Bull says, dude, did I just call with Rave or what? I said when it dumps, it will be fast. It was messing around for another squeeze. Yeah, you did call it. You said it was going to squeeze. Dude, you actually did call it yesterday. Yeah. Dude, Hidden Bull, man, you've been right on. You've been right on. I thought it was just going to go back down to the low, man. And what did it do? It went all the way back up. Actually, let's look at where it was yesterday, because I did just post a video yesterday. Let's see. Videos. Yeah, it's this one.
Nick Jones lines things up, checks his fidelity app, looks to outside and
Rave Dow on the live stream. So of course, the one time I'm like, hey, be careful on a coin. It ends up going from $1 to $14. So I still am going to say it. I mean, I obviously exercise caution. The people that bought down here are reaping all the rewards, because this was a 50x move in 2 weeks. So life-changing money right now. We are extremely overbought still, so just keep that into consideration. I don't know if you're buying right now or if sellers are taking profits, but our next area of resistance was 678, and we did break this. We did actually clear this, so congratulations to whoever took profits. And so yeah, I can't believe that, man. Freaking, we were just at $6, and then we broke up on out of here, man. No one is in Rave. Yeah, that's why, because no one can sell probably, right? What's up, Fernando? Welcome to the live stream. Welcome to the live stream, man. I hope you're doing well. Damn. Yo, Floofin. I hope you sell your house, man. I hope... Hey, man, are you going to get out at 81,000? You said you're going to sell, right? I mean, do you even need to? You're about to sell your house. Like... What is this? Bro, that's crazy. Damn. I know a guy who apparently made 35x on Rave. That's what he said anyways. Yeah, I mean, I believe it, man. It just did a 65x. So yeah, I believe it. Sorry, did it do even higher than that? Let me see. Yeah, it just did a 70x. So wow. I mean, even if he bought, so it would be 50% less at 35, right? If my math is right. Yeah, man, so even here, no, 35x would be 50% less than this, which would be... Oh my god, why is my math, like, so messed up? Yeah, he would have had to buy down here. Yeah, he would have had to buy this rip. I might sell, might just hold. Hopefully gonna end up with 3-4 BTC after I sell my house. Alrighty, man. That's crazy, man. I hope it ends up working out for you, though. Your house is your fortress of solitude. You know, you want to pay off your house. You want to pay off your house and not have any mortgage, and you know, have money in the bank and just relax. Just psychologically, that's just like, it's so relieving to have that. Rave is a unique situation where it moves so much, people are shorting it, so it forces the price higher. It's in a loop. How high can it go? No one telling. Yeah, because every single, unless like the shorts like end up getting liquidated. It's gonna go to 25 bucks. I'm trading while working, bought a stand so I can have a tablet held in my chart opened. Yeah, I don't know how people do that. There's no way that I can ever do that, especially like while working, just cuz like it just, I guess I can't multitask in terms of like working and then like trading. And I'm not a big fan of trading. I don't actually trade. So I'm not a big fan of it. I like spot buying and just holding, because I feel like there's a nice little tempo to that, and it's more psychologically, it's not as stressful as it is than like getting into a short trade. I might live in a sea can for a while. What's a sea can? Like what, you're gonna get a boat or something? Is that what you mean? Bro, you're gonna get a boat? How's Siren doing? Yeah, this thing's probably cooked. Well, who's that guy who has this, though? I mean, it went up a lot, so I don't think... Yeah, I don't know, man. Is this cooked? Like, are we cooked? Dot's still at $3. Oh, sorry, not Dot. Uniswap is still at... Where is it at? It's not even going up. It's not even on here. Oh, there it is. Yeah, it's still at $3. I didn't really miss much on that. Genius is up 8.7%. Nobody's ever heard of that token. APR is up. Nobody's ever heard of this token. They probably just came out, right? Mix is a good one. Not a good one, but what's going on with Tau in memory of the gentleman who is on vacation? Yeah, so very simple. We said, you know, I'm so glad he sold some, because Dwayne Killy sold some here, so he actually ended up like taking profits on this move, which is good. So I mean, as of right now, we are looking at coming back down to macro support at 175 to 206. Obviously, we say once you break this area, and if you don't get a reversal, you do come back down and retest these lows. So obviously, we broke down, so that is unfortunately bearish. Yeah, hidden bull. The shorts are pushing Rave higher. Sea container for shipping. Oh, got it. I mean, technically, I guess that's the same thing, right? A sea container for shipping. Well, actually, it doesn't have to be in the sea, so never mind. Yo, where's Triple T? I hope he's okay. I think he's working on his business. Yeah, hopefully he's okay, man. That guy was turning $200 into like $20,000, which is insane, man. Which is insane. Dwayne Kelly, welcome to the live stream. I was literally looking at Tau for you. And I said I just literally said I was so happy that I think you said you sold some up here and then you're going to rebuy back. And we're going down. The next macro area support is 206, 175 for Tau. So it's just a dude with 99% of the coins waiting to rug. Yeah. XAN. I'll take a look at that, Silver Days. Yo, Dwayne Kelly with the first super chat. Thank you so much for the super chat. First super chat of the night. Dude, 10 beans. That is a lot of money, man. Thank you so much for that. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. That's awesome, man. $10. Let's go. That's two Subway footlongs, man. That's 2 footlong. Two $5 footlongs right there. Let's go. Thank you. And let me know if there's anything else you need me to look at for you. I'll take a look at, obviously, because I wanna show you my appreciation, just like how you showed me your appreciation by sending me money. I'm gonna look at PYR and Beam, and I'm gonna tell you the same thing we've been saying, where it's probably gonna be like, it's not doing anything. It's not doing anything. You're still over 24 cents. Hopefully you get some sort of breakout. That would be the best case scenario. And then at that point, I'll be like, hey, Dwayne Kelly, Beam's at 50 cents. Do you really want to stay? And then you're going to be like, no. And then you're going to sell it, and you're going to make the right call. And then it's going to go to like $1 or $2. And then the next thing is Beam. Yeah, Beam's also doing the same thing. I mean, it is having a better move than Vulcan Forge PYR. You are up, yeah, 22%. You're just also waiting to break out with Beam. You have support resistance overhead at 2024 to 31. So, not financial advice, just my opinion. Is 81K Bitcoin still in play? Yes, as long as it stays over 72.4, in my opinion, 81K is the next target. So, like we've said before, we have are areas of support and resistance overhead, so that we just gotta gauge the trajectory and the range that Bitcoin's gonna be in, so that way you can make the right choice. Like, oh, I'm gonna buy now, or oh, I'm gonna sell now and take profits. You don't need to sell the exact top, because especially if you bought when the RSI was extremely oversold, and even selling it now, you're in profit. So. Yo, everybody subscribe and help me get to 10,000 subscribers. Come on, 10,000 subscribers. Let's go. Dude, it's crazy. The channel revenue this month is actually going to be really good. It's funny how it all works. How it all ends up working out. Mostly because of Hidden Bull. Hidden Bull freaking sent me $85 in one day, man. Thank you. That's insane. I looked at, dude, I wish I could show you this chart, actually. Yo, Hidden Bull, are you still here, or are you getting hit by the tornado? Let's see. Let me see if I can show you, because I want to show you, like, the revenue for one day. Give me 1 second. Let me see if I can show you this without giving any personal information. Analytics, estimated revenue, see more. No. Oh my gosh. Why is this so complicated? Let's do like lifetime. No. Oh man, that sucks. I guess I can't really show you. Let me see though. No, I can't show you. I guess, yeah, let me do this. So this is so funny. So this is the last 28 days. Yeah, this is the last 28 days, guys. So Hidden Bull, if you're still here, look at this. Look at what you did. As you can see, it's like $7, $8, $5, $10. You know, it's oops. So as you can see, we were, damn, why does this suck? Okay. Oh my gosh. What the? I can't even. Let me see. Okay, there we go. So as you can see, we've been basically hovering around the $7, $5, $7. Oh, we start going up. Bitcoin started going up. We had a correction dip. Oh, we're like making a higher low, a lower high, you know? And then, bam, man, freaking $83 freaking super chat in. Let's go. And then obviously went back down to like $5 or something. Like I don't know. But anyway, yo, let's go. XAN and SHX, meow. Let me bring those up. That way I won't forget. SHX. Oh, it's up 20%. That's not bad. And then you said XAN. Up 40%. Thank you, Silver Days. I will take a look at these for you. Well, like, I'm going to take a look and probably make videos on these. BTC bulls are back. Calls coming tomorrow. IBIT calls coming tomorrow. Don't know how long, though. Don't know for how long, though. Oh, yeah. It's probably going to be like 1 week, and then we're going back down. Let's just remember these moments. Lots of bulls fading for the last 4-year cycle. For the 4-year cycle, the bulls are back, baby. Yes, the bulls are back. What's up, Krista? Welcome to the live stream. Wait, what did you need me to look out for you? You said XLM, right? I'm going based off of memory, right? You said XLM, right? Let me add this here so I don't forget it. That was when I nailed the timing of a short while you were alive. Yes. Yeah, I know. I'll never forget that, man. Like that right there. Because like it's that's just the last 28 days, but on your app you can actually see the chart. And if I go to my lifetime chart, I can't really show this because it has like a lot of personal information, but I guess I can. Yeah, so basically the chart shows like 2 big peaks. One of my biggest peaks was January 26, 2025. In one day, I made 94 in like one live stream. I made $94.69. And then the second one is yours. And it happened, so January 2026, April 11, 2026. So 2025, January 2025, April 11, 2026, the highest jump ever was $71. So that's obviously after fees and stuff, because they take fees and stuff. But overall, that day, like with the revenue and everything, with the ad revenue and everything, it was $71. So that's pretty cool. Let's go. Thank you for that. I'll always remember that. Okay, so what did I miss? XAN. Let's take a look at XAN for Silver Days. Oh wow, you guys are, oh my gosh, we haven't looked at this in a while. Yo, so we said actually we called it perfectly. We got rejected overhead, we never got the continuation, and then we basically got smacked back down, went all the way back down. So yeah, with XAN, I mean, it's still bearish. Yeah, it's still bearish. Bearish under 1 cent 40. You've already attempted to break this area of resistance multiple times. Yeah. Anyways, let's see. Yeah, Dwayne Kelly, if there's anything else you need me to look out for you, please feel free to let me know. And yeah, hey, I thought you're on vacation. You're on vacation right now and you're in the live stream? Are you at least like enjoying yourself? Are you like sipping a margarita or something, you know? Are you enjoying a pina colada? Are you enjoying a gin and tonic? Are you enjoying a whiskey on the rocks? Are you enjoying Adios? Are you enjoying a mind eraser? Come on, man. I'm doing both. Let's go! Let's go, man. What else? What other drinks? There's the Adios, the mind eraser, or the mind eraser. You got what is it? It's the Russian blonde. Right? Drink. What is that? Blonde Russian. Yeah, 2 ounces of vodka, an ounce of Kahula, and Bailey Irish cream. Clinker, Bahama Mama. Yo, yeah, that's a good one. The Bahama Mama. That's the Carnival Cruise special. I love those when I first started going on cruises and stuff, and then I realized how much sugar it has. So then I kind of stopped, but let's see. So we did XAN. Let's take a look at Stronghold. Yeah, so Stronghold, nothing's changed. Actually, you did break below this area, but then you did get bought back up pretty quick. So I'm not going to change the chart. For SHX, you still have resistance overhead at 2066 to 2093. So I mean, you're looking at another 40 to 90% move to the upside, so not bad. And then let's take a look at XLM for Krista. I think Krista wanted XLM, which I don't think we need to actually change our chart yet because, yeah, so with XLM, nothing has happened, nothing has changed. You still need to break resistance overhead at 16 cents. Once that breaks, then we can look at targets on the upside. You're still in a downtrend. And unfortunately, as long as you're below 16 cents, which was previous area of support, which is now flipped resistance, you are looking at more downside. So obviously, Bitcoin is at 75,000. So I think we should probably get some sort of move up or some sort of relief rally. Now you have resistance overhead too, so you could still come up here. I know that's really bearish, but you could still come up to 18 to 22 cents and still be bearish. Okay. But if it doesn't, if you get a relief rally and then Bitcoin goes chops around sideways and then XLM goes down and then Bitcoin goes up again, then you're going to get something like this where you're going to get a small correction and then you're going to get the next leg up. So then that would be pretty good, but just keep that in mind. Let's see. We got Clinker. Yeah, nothing's happening with Clinker. You still have resistance overhead at $34 to $45, unfortunately. Hidden Bull says, I gotta wait like a week before drinking. It takes my energy way down. Can't miss the stream. Hidden Bull gotta stay sharp for his trades. Seriously. He's gotta see. He's gotta make that money, man. Dude, that's awesome. What else? Oh, did you guys know that today is Ben and Jerry Day? I think, right? That's what it's called, Ben and Jerry free ice cream. Yeah, free cones day. Yeah, Ben and Jerry free cone, April 16th. Yeah, so it's like tradition for my wife and I and family to go to. There's a place nearby, and obviously I'm not going to say where I live, but there's a place nearby, and we, for the most part, not every single year, but we try to go every single year. We do the free the Ben and Jerry free ice cream day or whatever. So that's what we're doing tonight. Should be fun. It should be fun. Yay. Ice cream. You can't go wrong with ice cream. You can't go wrong with vegan ice cream. When I was in my 20s, oh, that was probably like ages ago. I used to drink a 12-pack every night playing EverQuest. I had some epic beer can towers. Yo, I never got into EverQuest, but have you ever heard of that's so crazy because I think my brother used to play that game, EverQuest. EverQuest. Yeah, I never got into this game. I used to play a MMO called Night Online. Have you ever heard of a MMORPG called Night Online? It was so fun, and then it just became pay to win, and then I think that's why people probably got turned off. But you don't have to pay to win; like you could just play it for fun. But yeah, it was called Night Online. I used to play that all the time back. Not even, I guess not even in my 20s. It was before that. It was like when I was probably like 10 years old. I played it from 10 to like 16 or 18. I don't even remember, but it was a long time ago. And then I tried World of Warcraft, but I never really got into it. I really suck at video games. Like it's just it's not what do you call it? It's just not like it's just boring. I don't know. I might have. I'm really surprised I live stream for like an hour, but I guess it's because I'm talking and I guess it's somewhat stimulating. But especially looking at this and then just being having the ability to have such a high ceiling and getting me more viewers and more money and more ad revenue and more super chats and stuff like that. I think that's pretty cool. But I suck at video games, man. I'm not good. I'm not good at video games at all. And when I play, I get yelled at. Like there's a couple of like games that I tried playing. Like I tried playing Apex Legends, and then a couple of my friends, I mean one of them really, he just like they just like yell and get super toxic, and I'm just like, oh, I'm done. Like like who the fuck you think you're talking to? Like what the fuck? Like no, just chill, relax. It's a video game. But I guess people are very competitive and they want to win, so I get it. I understand it. Whatever. But I suck. I'm not that good. I'm gonna do what I'm good at, and it ain't that. Silver chart, please, meow. It's because your name is Silver Days, right? That's why. Yeah, we haven't looked at the silver chart. Is it done capitulating? No, it's actually in macro support. I know a lot of people I think a couple of people were commenting on my video when I said when we were up here and I was like, "Hey, we might have topped correction down to 60, kind of like Nvidia, okay? Same concept. We're going to look at Nvidia right now. But when I drew this area of support down here, I think a couple of comments are like, oh, you don't know what you're talking about, blah, blah. I'm like, yeah, you're right. I don't, but I know that. But what we know is that this is support. So people really don't know what to do with that information. But like the whole point is like, if I'm new and if I'm like, okay, where's a good time to buy? Oh, look at Crypto Meow Analysis. He showed me some indicators. The price is obviously very high right now. So maybe it's not a good time to buy all the way at the top, right? So maybe if we do get a correction to support where he said $69 to $85, that would be a good area. What happened? We go down. So we go down to this area. So, and that's all really what this is for. And then obviously they're going to get really happy because they're probably going to make money. You can come in here and super chat, and then I'm going to be happy because I made money, right? So same with Nvidia, right? Nvidia really hasn't been breaking out. We did already hit one major area of support, which is 172. I don't think that's it, though. I don't think, unless, I don't know, man. This thing is a beast. I guess, yeah, I went down only 23%. 50% correction puts it back down to 104. It has to cool off at some point. Nothing goes up forever, man. With this, especially the over freaking evaluation of Nvidia. But I mean, my targets are still in play, man. You're looking at 224, and if it actually has a blow off top, then you're actually looking at 413, and then you have support down here at $69 and 104. So, man, what a beast. You should try OSRS. It's super chill. Yeah, but the problem is, like, I don't have, unfortunately, I don't really have time to play. Because okay, so, like, I'm working, like, you know, let's just say 9 to 5, whatever. And then I live stream every day at like 5 o'clock. And then on the weekends, I have my cards. Like, I have my card games where, you know, I play Yu-Gi-Oh! Retro format, and then I play Commander. So there's really no time for me to actually play it. I really don't have any time to play it. Oh my god, Rave is breaking out again, bro. This is insane. I tried World of Warcraft and I couldn't get into it. Not like EverQuest. I was hooked bad on that game. Now FPS games are bad nowadays. People care too much. I used to high rank Valorant and kids get so angry. I used to play League of Legends. So back in college and back like during high school, and then when I would go to the library and study, my friend and I would play like League of Legends, and that got very toxic very fast, man. It takes one person on the team to start throwing, and then you're just screwed. They thought we were gonna wipe the floor with me, but UNC still has the gaming chops. I used to be really good at gaming. Meow, tell me Nvidia gonna hit $200. I mean, if it's gonna go up there, what's stopping it from double topping and breaking out to $224, right? Nvidia's, dude, what a beast. I'm just waiting for that capitulation, that 50 to 60% capitulation, the bear market. And oh, well, you're gonna be waiting a long time. Never gonna see those people again when it does happen. When I was 12, I almost got beat up at the laundromat for spamming Ryu spin kick. Yeah, but you actually could do it. You can actually do the spin kick, man? What? So you could actually float in the air and do it? That's crazy. I used to wipe the floor with almost anybody at gaming. Yeah, but what game are you talking about? What role are you playing? League is so different now. I used to play support. So my main was Nami. Yeah, I supported Nami. Sona, right? And then who's the unicorn? Oh, man, it's been such a long time. The unicorn girl that like has heals, and then you could res someone, I think, or you could make someone invulnerable. Yeah. So, and then I also played Blitzcrank as support. And then I sometimes, so my support was my number one role. You just look at it. What do you think? What you think break 200 this week? Big tech earnings month. Yeah, I think you're right. I think based off just looking at it, yes. So if all you need is $200, bro, then you probably already made it, man. It's probably gonna close pretty strong this week, especially when is the earnings? Wednesday the 20th. Oh, well, hold on. Am I right? No. May next Wednesday, yeah, what next Wednesday? Dude, $78 billion, that's crazy. Oh, Soraka, yeah. Oh, nice. I played for a while. Soraka, yeah, that's the name, Soraka. I played mostly sports games, real-time strategies. Oh, you played Age of Empires? Of course, I was really good. I really like those games. I played Age of Empires, all of them. Like, don't even get, like, all of them. Like, Age of Empires, Ages of Kings. The one before that, Rome 2. The one with Mesopotamia and like Babylon, and dude, like that one was like really cool. And then they actually brought it back now, so you can actually play while you're like in Age of Empires 2. You could actually toggle it to Rome and play that. I used to play that. I used to play Rise of Nations. I played Empire Earth, bro. Empire Earth was so fun. Empire Earth was good. And then what else? What other games? But dude, Empire Earth's like intro video was so good. Command and Conquer. I played Command and Conquer too. What am I talking about? I played Generals, dude. Do you remember Generals, dude? I feel like that is so racist nowadays. Do you remember the Middle Eastern faction? The Middle Eastern faction. The Middle Eastern faction was good, and then China, dude. China with the nukes, and then the USA with the lasers. Do you remember that? I played Command and Conquer. I played StarCraft. StarCraft was fun, but do you remember the mod? Oh wait, that reminds me. There was also the Helm's Deep, Warcraft 2 and Warcraft 2, Frozen Throne. I played those too. StarCraft, I played the mod. Do you remember? That might still be a thing, but with StarCraft, they used to have the mod where you have to there are waves of like zombies. I don't know if it was called zombies, but they would spawn in the middle, and then you would have to have your defenses built, and then you get points for killing people, and then like it just the enemies kept getting harder and harder. The first game I ever played on a LAN party was StarCraft. Yeah, the first game I ever played was Age of Empires. That was fun. The last game I played was Assassin's Creed. Yeah, I've never played that game. Yeah, I don't play like anything modern. I have no idea. I did have the first generation of an Xbox. I played Halo, and then I played man, I played so many games on that. Halo. Dude, Ghost Recon. I played Ghost Recon. That was so fun. There was a mod in there that was called Presidents, and what you would do is you would have to protect your president, and the president had no weapon. So if your military dies, then you just die. It's so fun. It was Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon, and then Rainbow Six, which sucked. I didn't like Rainbow Six. But yeah, fun stuff, fun memories. What's up, Smash Toshi? Welcome to the live stream. Damn, we got some UNCS in here. What does UNCS mean? I feel like I'm missing something. What does UNC mean? Oh, Gen Z? Oh, uncle? Yeah, like what? Unks? We got some unks in here? Like, what do you mean? What does that even mean? None of y'all played Photon, though? No, what's Photon? Like a photon cannon? Photon game. Let's see. What is this? Is this like the first VR ever? Bro, what is this? This is like a Tron? Oh my gosh, man. What is this?
Your son has been chosen to be the ultimate laser warrior. First, choose the laser that really works together.
Scores on helmet, phasers, and module. When going into battle, don't get tagged. Choose Photon from Entertech.
Bro, what? Oh, look, Vision.
Lock in growth without locking up your money.
Popping up out of nowhere.
A Marcus no penalty CD offers both.
Good morning
Oh,
to
wow.
the viewers of
really
the blockchain. Welcome to another video.
Blast is still going up. Miro, IOST. Nothing over the 40% mark. Yeah, raved out. What a crazy, what a trip, man. I went 6-1-1 against my son's nephew in FIFA this past weekend. They were so surprised. The OG laser tag in the 1980s. I had one of those as a kid. Damn. Unk is a term of endearment towards an older dude. Damn. So you're calling me an uncle? Damn. Well, technically I am an uncle, but damn. I'm not that old. I'm just joking. I hate when people say that. Oh, I'm not that old. Like, you saying that makes you old. Gosh, can't you see it? Crystal clear. Man, Dojalon. Dojalon's back up. Let's go. Raved out. Oh, what is this? I can't even read this coin. Does anybody know what this says? Yo, does anybody know what this says? What the hell is this? It's 346 million market cap. Unks be age maxing in here as their cortisol spikes. W's in the chat. Bro, that's not me. That's not gonna be me, man. Come on. Oh my god. Yeah, ups in 7 days, guys. This coin did a 6,500% move. It says Binance Life. Oh, hey, I didn't know you could do that. That's pretty cool. So you could just click on it and right click and hit. Oh, that's cool. I'll know that forever now. Thank you. What is this though, man? Yeah, it's up 8%. Sorry, 800% in 1 week. Wow. What the heck? Does anybody know what the housing market interest rate is? What is the mortgage interest rate today? In California, it's 5.81%. That's crazy. Today in Florida. Holy crap, man! What? 5.37% to 6.12%. Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad. What a joke. What a joke. Right click channel. I just thought to unk how language max. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. Yeah, bro. Like what? You're gonna make me glitch out, man. What the hell is that? What is that? Brain rot? What do we call that? Brain rot? Yo. My head's gonna explode. Let's see, are we getting any new subscribers today? We are. We got a new sub. Thank you so much for subscribing. 6.7%. No way. I just checked. You are incorrect, Smash Toshi. Interest rates right now are between 5.25% and 6.12%. There's no way it's 6.7%. $6.7 token, meow. $6.7 token. What's that? 67 token. Oh, 60. The official 6.7 token. Is this actually a thing? What is this? I feel like the new generation is going to buy this coin and this is going to somehow make millionaires. This is actually crazy. For us boomers, that's funny. For us boomers, we should probably capitalize on the fact that this coin is a huge gamble play. But kids are going to buy this coin and it's going to go to the moon. For some reason, just because that's actually a thing. Yeah. I mean, this thing is you're getting stuck at resistance, or, you know, shocker, but it is almost a 20x back up to its all-time high. So yeah, I mean, it's a gamble, definitely a gamble. It's not on any major exchanges yet either. So if this thing actually ends up securing partnerships with Binance or Coinbase and whatever, man, it could run real hard from 2.5 million. I mean, even KeyCat had a monster move when it was listed on Coinbase. And this is just a cat, right? Let's see. Yeah, this thing, I mean, when it got listed on Coinbase, it kind of went parabolic. It went to 1 cent. How much of a move was that? Yeah, guys, look, it got listed on Coinbase at the top, right? So it did a 3600% move, and then obviously gave it all back. But nothing, and nothing. All right, we're done with the crypto bubbles. Whole bunch of troubles. Give it a week or two. Let's go. You think it's going to go up in a week? You think it's going to 20x, 17x in a week? Let's see. Come on, 10,000 subs. Let's go, guys. I'm gonna switch off this because I'm probably gonna lose viewers if I keep it on there. Nice. The growth shall continue. And this is good because Bitcoin's going up again. So I think this is going to... If we actually end up going to 81,000, then there's no reason why I can't start getting 100 subscribers, 200 subscribers per, like, week. Because keep in mind, back in the day, man, we were getting a lot. Like, we went up fast. Yeah, we were getting a lot. And then it plateaued, kind of. It's not bad. This is healthy. Healthy growth. I need to get like this move right here. Bam. Damn, I wish my crypto had this kind of chart. Give it a week or two. Oh, I already read that. Fernando says, LOL, just moving up and down from 2063 to 2064. LOL token. Didn't we look at that? It's this, right? Yeah. Yeah, it's literally been ranging here since April. You actually topped out in April, right? Yeah, you topped out April 1st. April Fools. April Fools, we're going down. No, I'm just joking. Yeah, we're just ranging around this area. 63 to 64. Yeah. Pretty big swings. Oh, wait. No, I can't. Have you guys have like tried applying for a home, right? I'm assuming some of you are homeowners, which obviously very floofing is. It is definitely a very interesting it is definitely interesting because the first step is just seeing how much you qualify for, and then it's like, okay, well, what can I get with this? Especially if you're like ready to be or if you want to be a homeowner. Dude, it's funny, man. I'm gonna get back my paper, and it's gonna be like, oh, you qualify for 300,000, 290,000. I'm gonna be, okay, well, so be it, man. I'm gonna do whatever I can to. Yeah. Fuck it. Oh, damn. Hopefully the mic didn't pick that up. Yep. Whatever. I'm looking at chart moving up and down repeatedly. Yeah. Let's see. What am I missing? Get a fixer-upper? Yeah, no. Like, what? And who's gonna fix it? Me? I could. I absolutely could. But I'm not going to. Like, not that I could. Where I am, you could basically get a fixer-upper for $800,000. So, I'll pass. Thank you. Get a fixer-upper, and who's gonna fix it? And are you gonna come fix it? Now, I'm saying I can't even get a fixer-upper where I live, but I'm saying it's funny because I totally could fix stuff. I mean, how hard is it, right? You just YouTube, or like you have you get on the Oculus Quest and you do a 3D virtual tour or a tutorial, which you can do, by the way. I know a lot of like older people, which some of you are, you don't know that, but you know a lot of it is POV, so you can actually physically see it and see people working with their hands. So you could obviously like do the same thing, right? It's just step by step. But yeah, no, I could absolutely do that. But where am I gonna find? No, I'm not gonna do that, bro. I want to get a house that's like fully renovated. Just move in ready. And then, yeah, that's it. And then I could sleep on the ground. With blankets, and that's it. That'll be my house. Older homes are generally built better. The building materials were way better. Yeah, and it also caused cancer. But yeah, no, you're right. Materials were better than and the craftsmanship was superior. Meow meta glasses while working. I can't wear meta glasses while I'm working. That's insane. But I can wear. I'm gonna get those glasses. I am gonna get those AI glasses that's compatible with YouTube, which I said in my other live stream, because I will start like venturing on into like the TCG world and making videos of that, because I have Magic the Gathering, I have Yu-Gi-Oh, I play I play literally every single card game. So it's like, what better way to be able to capitalize on it? That market is huge. I know the crypto market is very niche, and so is Pokemon in the TCG marketplace, but that niche is very big. I mean, it's very big. So I definitely do want to capitalize on that because it's stuff that I do anyway, right? It's stuff that I do anyway, and I'm really good. Like, I'm not bad. I'm not like, I'm really good at the games. So I feel like it'll be nice to do it, but that is definitely something that I will be working on in the future, just for personal growth and just growing myself and my brand, I guess. Crypto analysis. Oh my gosh, you can't incorporate crypto with TCG. Says who? I can do it all. That's me. Oh, that's Crypto Analysis. He likes crypto and he plays Pokemon. Like, what? That's great. I mean, what are these influencers really known for, right? Sex tapes? Not going to happen here. I did carpentry for years, so fixing up a home is fairly easy for me. Yeah, that's not fair. That's like your line of work, man. You did carpentry? Yeah, that's pretty cool. So you're gonna need a place to stay, so you can just come fix up my house then, my fixer upper, and then you could build yourself like a shed in the back or something. Plus you have all my tools. Plus I still have all my tools. Now I'm just a school janitor. Hey man, is your way of life good? Like, are you happy? That's all that matters, man. Doesn't matter what you do. As long as you're happy and you gotta like slow down and enjoy life. That's all that counts. As long as you're in the now and you're not like, you're not a bot and you're not just like a robot, right? I don't know if you're a robot. I know if I'm a robot or not, and I'm not. So. How long have you been live? Oh, crap. I gotta go, guys. I've been live for 1 hour and 7 minutes, and I'm over here flapping my gums. Past the amount of time that I need to. So. Anyways, Dwayne Kelly says A. Nice. Good. Yeah, so I think yeah, I have to get ready. So I have to get ready for my Ben and Jerry's ice cream date with my wife. My free ice cream. I get free ice cream today. So I'm really excited about that. Before I leave, Elon, let's take a look at Elon. For Dwayne Kelly. And then I'm going to bounce and I'm going to give my end outro. Yeah, so Elon's looking pretty good, man. I mean, you're looking for that breakout. Once again, you do have resistance overhead at 7043 to 57. So once we break out of this area, then we can invalidate everything. We can start taking a look at the targets on the upside. But as long as it's below this area, just be aware it could still come up to 43 again like it did last time. Or even up to 57, make a lower high, smack against the 200-day moving average, smack against resistance overhead on the shorter time frame, and then come right back down. So again, what you really want to see as a holder, break this area of resistance and get some sort of follow through. Not financial advice, just my opinion. And then Aloe says, Rave gonna hit $30. I'm gonna miss that. Yeah, man. I need to actually you stop doing that. Okay, I gotta stop saying and I gotta fix my speech. New Year's resolution. So I gotta edit my video and post this because I am missing on the surge of people that are probably trying to look up Rave DAO right now on YouTube. So I definitely think I can make some money right now. So we're gonna call it here. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate all the super chats, all the members, all the subscribers. Thank you so much for all of your support. I greatly appreciate it. Just remember, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion. And this is all just for entertainment purposes and nothing more. Enjoy the rest of your night. Enjoy your day tomorrow. Happy Wednesday tomorrow. We will be live again tomorrow at around 5 p.m. So around the same time. So enjoy, and hopefully I see